Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Hello wonderful followers and subscribers, and I am so excited to say that this is an announcement for an upcoming collab that will be completed for the whole 12 months of the year, and it will be posted the last Sunday of every month. So what kind of collab is it? Well, the collab is called a mixed media collab, and we're going to have the hashtag 757CWA and Company. So again, that's hashtag 757CWA and Company. And so we're going to be playing along each month. We have a theme. Well, we have an item that we're going to alter, or not really alter it, but make it mixed media. The particular item, we're going to make it mixed media. So we have something each month that we're going to be doing in our group, and we're going to be posting it on here on the YT and on IG. And it is myself, along with Lisa from Miss Little Scrappy, Sheba from Sheba Finds, Susan from Susie Q Crafter 21, Leah from TLC Crafty Me, and Donna, who has only an IG account, and that's D_K_crafts, and of course I will have their links below. And if we have any other people join us, I will let you know, but right now that's who we have. But anyway, it's going to be a 12-month collab, and I'm so excited. And this is just a little centerpiece to show you that I did for another one of our collabs that we did when we do collabs together, mixed media piece. So we're going to be doing mixed media. We'll be posting the last Sunday of the month. So for this one, this is just the intro. So next Sunday, I'll be posting by 12 Eastern Standard Time, 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. And I'm excited. So we have, like I said, a little challenge for us. And at the end of the collab, we will be having like different giveaways on our channel, and I'm sure everyone will have something different that they'll be giving away, but you can look forward to that. And if you want to play along, you can use that hashtag like I mentioned. Of course, you have to be a subby and a subscriber. Well, it's the same thing, a visible subby, and you have to be at least 18, and I believe continental USA as well. If someone is overseas, we probably do some kind of cash donation or something like that. But anyway, everybody's different what they're going to give away, so I can't speak for anybody else, but I will give more details about that later. Of course, you have to watch all of the videos and comment and be a subscriber for my channel. But anyway, I'm just excited to announce it. And again, just, any different mixed media, different styles. We're not limited. And mixed media can be vintage. It can be shabby chic. It can still be clean and simple, as long as you have multiple different mediums. So it could be, wow, so many different things, so many different textures, from paints and different textured items, stenciling and sprays and metals and texture paste and modeling paste, and I just can't even think of everything, wood veneers and threads and wire and bobbins, ribbons, just so many different things that you can use to make mixed media. So once you come along, play with us, at least check out what we have. Check out everybody. It will be in the links below. So I'll put the links below. So again, expect us next Sunday on the 31st to post our first collab of the year. And again, it's a mixed media collab. And yeah, trying something new. So anyway, I think this will be fun to do. So I'm just rambling now. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning, so I'm making this video. But anyway, check us out. Check out all the channels, and make sure you got to subscribe to all the channels as well. And you will love all the different styles that everybody presents. And check out, Donna on IG as well. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Thanks for watching the upcoming collab and watching this video. So take care. God bless, and I dare you to be creative.